Hey YouTube, King Kraken 187 here. Welcome to the channel. In this video I will be guiding you how to get the key cards to the game Sons of the Forest. The key cards will give you access to certain places in Sons of the Forest. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment down if you want any more guides to this game. Alright you guys, let's get into this guide. Enjoy. Come on, that away. A lot of digging. I don't do as much digging in real life. What the hell? Obviously, I'm playing video games almost every day. Alrighty. Alright. Here's our first access card. Yay! Let's make the flats really quick. Race. Some more raw meat. This afternoon it was discovered that a painting from Mr. Puffin's personal collection was gone missing. If anyone has any information, talk to me directly. Hank. Alrighty. That armor looks so freaking cool. Okay. Scared the hell out of me. Alright, I think that's all over here. Album cover. Circuit board. I am right here. Flashlight is over there. Let's go into this cave. No batteries. Of course. Okay, so doing a quick guide on how to get the second and third card. You'll open this up, grab all the loot from there. Well, that's what I did when I was in. You'll have food and everything in here. So you got your cup of ramen, cereal, or whatever you want to call that. You got raw meat. Nice. You have some stuff up here. Yeah, you got these. Thought you might find this interesting. We're calling it artifact. Might be related to that cube you guys found. Okay, so steak cubes, bacon cubes and stuff. Okay, so once you come down here, you can grab all that stuff. You'll come up to this door, which you can open with the maintenance card. Oh yeah, and while you're picking up the card, or while you're picking up the maintenance card, you can look around here, come over here, and you can grab your crossbow. Awesome. There's usually enemies here, so you probably catch something right here. Alright, so you come through here. Right here you're gonna run into water, so keep that in mind. You come through here. As you're coming through here, you're gonna come up here. You're gonna come through here, you're gonna come up here. And up here you're gonna see there's your VIP card, which is Virginia's card. You can see all the shit happening right there. And from here you're probably just gonna go up here. Just keep going until you get up to this area. Here you'll find a dress for Virginia. And I believe if you're not on peaceful, you'll have two people to face here. What the hell? Barbara Puffton. We have wasted another full afternoon and still have been able to find any trace of golf balls. This is entirely unacceptable. Additionally, not getting a response to any of these emails is extremely unprofessional. Okay. Okay, so let's see what else is here. Is there anything over here? No. Grab these. I don't know what's through there. Nothing here, nothing here. Oh, for sure, I thought there was more here. No, we're just gonna equip that rebreather. Keep in mind that there's probably going to be enemies here. I'm on peaceful, so yeah. Up here, and you're going to go up to the cave out here. I'm not sure if it's going to be at all safe, you know. It might be nighttime. Where the hell am I at? Oh, there it is. The exit to the cave. Okay, so I was down there. Okay, so we're gonna continue down this trail to that. There's the beach right there, there's where you get the handgun back there, and back there is where my campsite is. So we're gonna come to this dot right here. This will lead you to the last card. Okay, there's the cave. There's the beach where you get the handgun, and here's this go-kart right here, and here's a cave behind it. You'll go into this cave, and you'll get the last card. Keep in mind that there's also a 3D printer in here. Okay, instead of going straight right here to the 3D printer, you're gonna go to the left. And to the left, you're gonna see another door. And through the door, you're gonna open this door. Okay, anyways, you'll come through this way, workout station. Come this way, you'll go up the stairs. You come upstairs. See this pull area. Come in here. Here's a melee weapon, a guitar. It was nice to have something like that. Playing La Bamba. But on one of these tables, which is this one, you'll find your card. And there you go. There's your last card. This is Arnold's card. And there you go. You have all 3 cards. You have the maintenance card, you'll have the guest card, and the VIP card. Hope you guys found this guide useful. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want any more guides, just let me know in the comments. Like the video. And if you guys want to hang out with me, I do stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/KingKraken187_gaming. Link will be in the description. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, YouTube.